Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I am now again resuming my game that I was playing yesterday. That was where I stopped on level 3, and you can see actually I am standing on level 6 because yesterday as I played I forgot to record, and that is why where you can see the fourth and fifth level has been already completed, but I think I can still play it again for you guys. So I'll tell you why the number has been reduced from 50 to 30, as you can see at the top left corner, and I'll explain you later why that the digit has been decreased. Okay, I don't know how to go back to level 6. Okay, I think it is here. No, not this. Settings, not this. How do I go back? Okay, I think I'm not getting how to get directly into the level 4, the previous level, so I'm gonna stick with level 6 and continue my play. Excuse me. And here it shows she is looking for an easy way to burn calories. As I said previously, I had 50 points on my uh, table, but this was the level where I was stuck. I couldn't complete this level and I was stuck, and I used 20 points to get a hint. So when I clicked on this, what is this color? I think it is purple. When I clicked on it, the number was reduced to 30, and it gave me a hint that find a lighter to burn the calories. Okay, that is the hint that I have. Now I have to find the lighter to burn the calories. I mean, lighter, burning a wood or burning a paper is different from burning calories, right? I don't know what burning calories has to do with a lighter. I still don't understand, but I have this multiple objects given to me out of the cupboard, and this girl is looking here and there. I hope she's giving some hint for me to use the lighter, and what all I can do is just move few objects on the screen, like this picture or this tape cutter or the scissors, or I don't know what this object is which is moving. I hope it's a hairpin. It looks like a hairpin or a ring. I don't know, not the ring. I think it's a hairpin. But what has this moving scissors has to do with the task? I don't know. I'm not sure exactly. But the lighter can be hid behind her. See? Can you see? I'm clicking it, I'm tapping it multiple times. I don't know. I hope this is the lighter, this teal colored object, but it's not. And if you observe carefully at the TV, there are three people running forward and they are wearing shoes, and there has been tags on right on their stomach, right? So if I click on the TV, there is nothing that is going to happen, not even the clip. So I think I can move this picture, the photo, but the confusing thing is she is looking for an easy way to burn calories. So she wants an easy way. So I'm clicking on her. She is not even moving, but only she is looking from her left to right. Right? What makes her move is my question. What makes her move? Should I burn anything here to make her move? On this sofa? What is on this sofa? No, no, nothing. Should I cut her hair? Should I cut the sofa? I don't know. What makes her move? Why is this tape cutter is there? What is this hairpin? Even the hairpin can be hid behind her, but not this objects. I mean, they go back to their places. See, I'm really stuck with this on this level. Find a lighter to burn the calories. Find a lighter to burn the calories. How can a lighter burn the calories? So which is a lighter here? Okay, how can I'll keep it back. Let's see what happens. Both objects. Okay. It won't close. I think I'm going to use another 20 points for this. No. Okay, let's go for it. What is this? Okay, this is an ad from Google Play. For the hint, I think I need to watch this advertisement so that they'll give me a hint about what to do, or probably I can even finish this level and move on to the next one. Right, I just watched finishing it. What now? Oh god, it's only for the points. Can you see here? It's again has been raised to 50. Okay. Look at, okay, I again lost the 30 points for the next clue, the second hint. So it says, look at the questions to see the calories. Look at the question. Look at the question text to see the calories. To burn calories. What? Look at the question text to see the calories. Question text. The question text. What is the question text? To see the calories. Question text. What text it is? You mean the font? The question font? Let me look at it. Look at the question text to see the calories. Question text. This is the question, right? She is looking for an easy way to burn calories. It's not a question. Look at the question text to see the calories. Where is the question? What is the question? There is no question. She is looking for it's a statement. She is looking for an easy way to burn calories. It's just a statement. It's not a question. So as you see, the level has been restarted and the TV is off. She is still looking here and there instead of moving. At least you can walk to burn calories, Where is the question? What is the question? Burn calories. How to burn the... Oh, shit. Shit. I'm sorry for the language. What is wrong with you people? Is this a kind of riddle? This question was actually a stupid question. I took it so seriously and logically, and I was actually expecting her to burn her the table or the sofa so that she would run for the water. That's what I thought. Oh god. Sorry, dear, there are no such shortcuts. I don't want a shortcut. I just want a logical question that makes sense. Level 6. Again, one more ad. I'll just hide it. Yes, it's repetitive. Hide, hide, hide. Here comes the next level, and I lost my valuable 30 points for that, for just one level. She wants to start doing exercises but doesn't know how. Isn't this the situation that we all face once or twice in our lifetimes, right? We want to exercise, we want to what do you say that we want to work out, but there is something that pulls you back to the bed when you wake up, and you still want to wait with your blank mind, what you knowing not knowing what to do. You have to go right there, you have to wake up, you have to get ready, you have to hit the gym, or you have to go for the jog, but still the time is moving and it's been late, but you still close your eyes, you sleep on your bed, you still put the blanket on. But here it's a different story. She wants to start doing exercises but doesn't know how. Right, ma'am. This is all girly stuff, I think. Why is it so messy? Do the girls' room look so, you know, messy all the time? I'm not sure. There are two books on the ground, three different socks, maybe four. Few dresses. I am not sure what those the names are. There are there is one purse. The bed looks so small for her. See, can you compare the size of the bed and size of Cindy? Right? She is still looking here and there. I don't know which room this is. Maybe it's a bedroom or a living room. What help can I do? Something just moved. I didn't observe. The socks. Okay, I'm joining both the socks, putting books together. Another socks. I think I have to compare the socks. It's the jacket. I'm putting up the jacket. Uh, does she want me to get her ready? Do you want to wear? I don't know what she does with that. It's another socks. So okay, what is this? This looks like a postcard or an identity card. There is some trash. Right, I think I should be matching those stuffs. This is a towel, right? Those are pillows. So what do you want me to do? Do you want me to arrange it everywhere? She wants to start doing exercises but doesn't know how. Why don't you wear something and go out? Doesn't know how. What do you mean you doesn't know? Ah, you look like a grown girl. Do you want a towel? Do you want to go for a bath? Okay, that looks nice on you, right? Do you want a socks? Can't wear that socks. Okay. Do you want this? Do you want to go for bath? This purse, do you want a purse? I'm not sure. She won't be taking it while she's bathing. Okay. Okay, right. Let's put everything together. And okay. The books are down. What else do you want to do? Let's put it there. Not there. Maybe here. It's a trash can. These things don't make any sense really. Let's go for the hint. Find her phone hidden under the mess. Give it to her to make a call. Find her phone hidden under the mess. And give it her to make a call. Where is the phone? Where is the mess? Is this a phone? Stupid. Make a call. What else? What else are you waiting for? You don't know the number? Oh, okay, yes. See. I wish it was like a Sherlock Holmes game. Have you played that? It's actually quite interesting game. It makes you think. It makes you search for many things that's been hidden inside a room. That's a fantastic game. I have played it before. It's called the Sherlock Holmes. But this it's quite disappointing for me. As it says, it's a brain test. It doesn't test your brain. It just doing things which you actually don't use any of your brains. It doesn't allow you to use your brains. I think I'll switch my game to Sherlock Holmes or such kind of games. Even I expected it to be such a game, but it is not, unfortunately. Okay, let me see if I'll stop right at this level. I mean, okay, I'm getting an ad. I don't want to spin. No thanks. So I'll stop at level 8. Let me see what I can do on my next level. Until then, um, thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be keeping my videos updated. I'll be playing more and more games. And if you think I can play any other game than this,